Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today we have the TRIPLETT 9065 True RMS data logging graphical multimeter, 6,000 counts. Fellas, I've done a video, an individual review of this multimeter in the past. If you want to check that out on my channel, you can. Today I just want to do somewhat of a short video just to see. This is more or less like a series. This is the second video of a series of videos that I'm planning on doing about high dollar multimeters, and just see how high they will go measuring. In this case, the highest component here in front of you is a 94,000 microfarad capacitor, which is this one right here. The lowest one is a 560 microfarad capacitor, and we also have, I have a 40 ohm resistor. This one is a 40,000 ohm resistor. That one, this one is a 70,000, same as this. I just want to see how high this multimeter would measure. And I also have several other multimeters that I'm going to try out in the future. This is just the second one of this series that I'll be doing. I do have a 120,000 microfarad capacitor somewhere around here in my lab. I gotta find it, go dig in the bin and find it. But once I get that out, I am going to retest the Fluke 289 just to see if it would measure it. So far, it did measure this 94,000 microfarad capacitor, and it charged it up very quickly. So I'm going to call out what we have here. But before I do that, fellas, I'm going to ask you to support the channel. It's for free. If you like what I'm doing for entertainment purposes or whatever, if you're getting something out of it, I'm glad. If you get whatever it is you're getting out of it, I'm asking you for support. It's for free. Only thing you have to do is hit the subscribe button. I'm not charging you anything. YouTube won't charge you anything. It'll just keep you in rotation of all of my previous videos, as well as notify you of my new videos that I upload. Okay, so I'm gonna just let you see, for those of you who just now seeing this series, like I said, this is the second video of this series that I'm doing, just to see if this high dollar TRIPLETT graphical multimeter. And if you look at it, this is the same one as the Unity, just a different name, a rebrand of the Unity, same exact one. So if you see, if I'm gonna call out the names of these capacitors, as far as the microfarads of these capacitors, and we're going to see just how high they measure. This first one, little one right here, is for 560 microfarads. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get it where you can measure, okay, 560. This should be 3,300. 3,300. This one should be 1,500. Okay, and this one should be 22,000. Okay, 22,000. 22,000. This one is 32,000. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, that's 32,000 microfarads, and this one is 94,000 microfarads. Okay, this one is I don't know if you can see it that well, but I'll try to put it up anyway. It's got it upside down. This one is 40,000 ohms. Okay, and these two are the same. So this one is 70,000. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 70,000 ohms. Okay, and this one's the same. So we're gonna get started, and we'll see just how well this does. Okay, let me shorten the leads out, and we'll see. We start. Why is it saying 60,000? I mean 60. Something is wrong here. Let me just see. All right, we're doing capacitors. Okay. I don't know why it's showing 60. Let me just try again. It's on capacitor. Let me zero it out. Okay, here we go. The first one, like I just mentioned, is for 560. You should get that with no problem. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Let me see, guys. It's on manual. It shouldn't be on manual. Okay. It's on auto. Okay, I want to put it on capacitance, which will be there. Okay. Now let's see. $560. Okay, it's giving me 509. Okay. Leave that one alone. The next one should be 3,300. Let's try that one. It's on auto, so let me zero it out. I don't know why it's showing. Anyway, let me just see what happens. It's kind of odd. It didn't zero out with the rail button. Okay. 32. Okay. Short it out. This one is for 1,500. All right. Same 1,400. I mean 1.4. Okay, 1,400. And it's the same test with the same components I use when I tested 289. And this one is for 22,000. Okay, 20.7. Okay. Let me try to zero it out again. See what happens here. What am I doing wrong, guys? Let me see. Okay, I want to zero it out. Let's try that. It's on manual. Okay, this one is for 32,000. So discharge. Okay, I'm gonna discharge it. Thought I. Okay. me try to zero these out again. Huh. I don't know why it's jumping to that 60 like that, but anyway, let's see. 32,000 microfarad capacitor. 29. $41, 36. Okay. And coming up in the future, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all of these meters that I'm testing. I'm going to compare them against one another, okay? Just to see how accurate they are against one another. I do have an EdgeTech GX900 graphical multimeter. I want to put it up. I want to check that one out. And I have several more graphical multimeters, high dollar multimeters that I want to use just to see. Okay, this is 94,000 microfarads. Okay, let's see if it takes a long time to charge it, but nope, it did not do it. It did not do it. It couldn't do it. Okay, it could not do it. Let me do this one more time. Short it out. Okay, let me even short the leads out. Just do it this way. Okay, so now let's try it again to see. And this is a 94,000 microfarad capacitor. I guess that's the max. It's giving me the max. Microfarads. It couldn't do it. That's the high as it goes, guys. All right, that's the end of that. So let me try the resistance now. It failed that as far as charging that up. Okay, so let's get to the resistance, the ohms. All right, can I get to null the leads? See what happens here. All right, 70,000 right here. $68.52, did that, and I already told you what this one was. I'll even short the leads out again, all the leads again. Okay. 67. Now, this is a 40,000 microfarad. Short the leads out. Okay. Yep, it did it. The only one it did not do, it seemed to do everything else as far as the charging up all the components. This is the one, it charged up everything else, but it couldn't handle the big board. This is the big capacitor, guys. It could not handle that one. So the 289 is still in the lead. And in the near future, in the near video, I'm going to take all the high dollar meters and just take some time and line them all up. As soon as I find that 124,000 microfarad capacitor, I wanted to test them all against that. And I mean, I don't know what kind of test it would be. I guess I should have waited, because we already know if it won't charge up to 94,000, we know it won't charge up to 124,000. But I do believe that I have one of them in the power besides the Fluke that may do it. That's why, guys, I'm don't get me wrong. I am not Fluke. I'm not being endorsed by no company. But I'm just giving you my opinion when I say that the Fluke 289 is the top of the line. It's the greatest multimeter I think ever made. Okay, so I'm gonna shut the video off, guys. I thank you for letting me take up your time. And until next time, hang in there and don't forget to support the channel. I'm out.